Good morning, Rula. It's Chris Dirth over at Lexis Nexus. Thank you for returning my call yesterday. I have requested the trial ID to be initiated for you, so you should see a welcome email shortly with login credentials. Now, when you first log into the platform, it's going to drop you in to the landing page of Lexis Advance, which you said you had seen recently in law school. This is where all of the actual core research would be take place here. So your primary law stuff like federal and state agency materials will be in this section. Also any case law that you need to look into, which you're probably not going to leverage a whole lot of, but there's some good practical guides in here, especially when it comes to regulatory tracking. Also all the law reviews and journals is in here as well. So you can do basic keyword searches within this red search box. You can also add pre-search filters rather than casting a wide net if you prefer to narrow down the results a bit. Now, the other portion of this that I discussed over the phone that I think you're going to utilize the most is that transactional tool. That's Lexis Practice Advisor. Click on this drop down here, go to Lexis Practice Advisor, and again you're going to see a similar setup. A large prominent search box up top for keyword searching where you can add pre-search filters. I think where you're going to spend most of your time is going to be in the topics section. You can expand this over, drop down into any of these topical areas, and what's great about it is, say you want to go into an employment at will information. Once you drive down into the topic, you're going to get a snapshot which will show overview. Some of the top forms, practice notes are here, cases, statutes, and legislation, any secondary materials that are related to employment at will. When it comes to the forms, this is that expert forms database that's going to allow you to put policies and procedures in place, and you can actually dive right into these, which is nice. You can put a policy in, and some of these are going to have interactive plug-and-play spots where you can just put in party information, and you can also download these into Word. So poke around with this, let me know what you think.